Consistency beats talent every time. This is episode 4 of The Builder's Mindset. You're listening to the Nomad Build with Angel Lopez, where we rebuild life from the ground up. One choice, one mindset, one breakthrough at a time. Because freedom is built, not bought. There's a quiet truth about life that people don't accept until they get older. Not because it's complicated, but because ego gets in the way. And the truth is this: consistency beats talent every single time. We all know talented people. The kind who walk into a room and everyone notices. The ones who look like they're built for success. The ones who could have been great, but never were. And there's the other kind of person, the one nobody expects, the one who isn't impressive at first glance, the one who shows up quietly, works quietly, improves quietly, and then one day, out of nowhere, passes everybody. I've seen that difference up close in myself, in the people I've loved, and in the people I've watched fall apart because they relied on talent instead of discipline. When you grow up with handouts, without stability, without someone holding your life together for you, you learn early that talent doesn't feed you. Potential doesn't pay bills. Good looks don't build a business. And waiting for motivation is the fastest way to stay stuck. There was a time in my life where I confused potential with progress. I thought having big ideas made me special. I thought dreaming made me different. I thought wanting more was enough. But wanting doesn't build anything. Dreaming doesn't build anything. Potential means nothing unless you show up every single day. When I was living in places where I didn't even feel at home, when life felt upside down and I had no real support, that's when I learned what consistency really is. Consistency isn't routine. Consistency isn't motivation. Consistency is identity. It's waking up alone in a cold apartment in a foreign country and doing the work anyway. It's sitting up with your laptop on a quiet morning, no noise, no praise, no validation, and building your future one small action at a time. It's realizing no one is coming to save you and still choosing to save yourself. Most people quit because they expect results too fast. They expect the world to clap after a week of effort. They expect massive change from tiny commitment. But results are delayed. Success is delayed. Momentum is delayed. Consistency is about showing up long before you're rewarded for it. Let me tell you something real. I've seen men with natural gifts collapse under pressure because they never built discipline. I've seen guys with charisma and good looks fail in business because they only worked on the days they felt like it. I've seen talented people lose everything because they believed talent was enough. And I've seen the opposite too. The guy who nobody noticed, the one with no advantages, not the best voice, not the best social skills, not the most confident, not the most prepared, but he showed up every day, silently, honestly, without pretending to be something he wasn't. And over time, that man outperformed everyone who was naturally gifted. I've lived enough life to know this. It's not your potential that builds your life. It's your patterns. Your patterns shape your identity. Your identity shapes your habits. Your habits shape your results. And your results shape your entire future. You want a six pack? It's not genetics. It's not motivation. It's those daily choices when no one's watching. what you eat, how you move, and whether you show up when you're tired. You want a business? It's not the idea, it's the consistency. It's the nights you stay up learning something you used to be terrible at. It's the mornings you show up even though you feel discouraged. It's the days you feel lonely, unappreciated, and misunderstood. And you keep building anyway. Every great thing in life comes from compounding effort. Tiny actions repeated daily. Energy invested with no guarantee. Work done without anyone praising you for it. You know why consistency beats talent? Because talent fades when life hits hard. But consistent men don't break. They bend, adjust, and keep going. Consistency builds resilience. Consistency builds relief. Consistency builds skill. Consistency builds character. Consistency turns you into the kind of man people can rely on, and the kind of man you can rely on yourself. That's the real win. Not just success, but self trust. Knowing you're someone who follows through. Knowing you're someone who doesn't quit. Knowing you're someone who shows up even when everything in you wants to stop. In the long run, the consistent man always beats the talented man. Not sometimes, not occasionally, always. Because consistency turns average men into exceptional ones, and talent turns exceptional men into disappointed ones if they never build the discipline to match it. So ask yourself this: do you want to look like someone who has potential, or do you want to become someone who delivers? Do you want to be the man who could have been great, or the man who quietly becomes unstoppable? Your future is being built right now, not by your dreams, not by your intentions, not by your potential, but by your patterns. You keep showing up, and your life will change. Thank you for listening. If this message resonates with you, share it with someone that you think needs to hear it. This is Angel Lopez with the Nomad Build. Until next time.